Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find apps section. As you can see, it should be right here, so let's tap, and now let's enter manage apps. Here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see on the third position we've got reset up preferences option, so the option we are looking for. Let's tap on it, and here your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on reset apps, tap on it. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.